Hello, this is Warweasel again with another update on my game. And I'm happy to report I've been making pretty steady progress lately. Right now, let me just jump in and show you what I've done. Obviously, you can tell that I'm holding a sword. Locomotion is still working as it should be, but I've also added my attack and a little bit of bling so I can play around a bit with this. Yeah, and some basic hits. You can't actually hardly see it, but it's up there in the upper left-hand corner. And every time I actually do get a good solid swipe on him, I'll get some damage. And I can make him do something if he runs out. My next big thing is trying to get... There we go. Is trying to get physical animations working, in which he will react, not just because I give him an animation to react, but also add some physics so that if I hit him in the torso, his whole body will move against that attack. I'm still trying to figure some of this out. I'm not an expert. Did fix this problem with the clothes and the hair jumping to a strange offset. And I'm actually having a lot of fun with the particles. I need to figure out a way to make the particles slowly diminish, but the fact that I have it working at all is great. Anyway, I hope to have another update soon.